Sunshine, welcome back to my channel. So today I did this super glowy, minimalistic summer look. So if you'd like to see that, then please keep on watching. So I'm just going to prime my face with my watermelon facial mist. Now I'm going in with my ColourPop No Filter foundation stick, and I'm just going in with that on a beauty blender. I find that this gives a really pretty sheer coverage application. And for those super hot days, that's what I'm looking for. I'm just looking for something a little less coverage. So if I'm sweating, it's not completely noticeable that I'm just like sweating and melting off my makeup.
You've done? I'm melting!
Now that I have my foundation laid down, I'm just going in with a little bit of concealer to spot conceal and conceal under my eyes. And this is the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. I love this concealer. I feel like it works so nicely for spot concealing as well as concealing under the eyes. And just so it doesn't crease, I'm going to go in with a little bit of my Wet n Wild Photo Focus powder. Now guys, I'm going to go in with a cream blush. This is the e.l.f. Monochromatic Multi-Stick in Glistening Peach. I feel like cream blush looks so much better on those hot summer days because when you start to sweat, it kind of just mixes in with the cream. I find that with powders, it's just a lot more obvious that your makeup is melting off your face. If you're just starting to dabble in with some creams, I feel like this one is a really great one to start off with. It's very beginner user friendly, and I feel like it just blends really nicely. For highlight, I just want to do something really natural, so I'm going to go in with a cream highlight. This Wet n Wild one is awesome because on my skin tone, it really doesn't show up with like a lot of pigment. It's more of like a glossy, wet look to the skin, as you can see here. So I love it for the more natural days because it's not going to give you a super highlighted effect. It's just going to make your skin look really dewy and glossy. Now for the eyes, I'm just keeping it really simple. I am going in with my ColourPop Sweet Talk palette, and I'm just taking the shade Dream Maker and I'm buffing that into my crease. And taking a little bit of side to side and just packing that on the whole lid with my finger. Now I'm going back in with the Wet n Wild cream highlight, and I'm using that for my inner corner. And going in with my Holy Grail mascara, Lancome Monsieur Big. And to top it all off, I'm going in with the Wet n Wild lip gloss. This is from the Astrology collection from last summer, so I know it's not available anymore. But just going with any lip gloss. I wanted something really glossy and shiny, and this is one I had on hand. So of course, after the entire look was done, I decided I wanted a little bit of a pop of color. So I just grabbed my Zulu liner from ColourPop and I'm putting that in my waterline just to give this look a little bit more pizzazz. It's something you totally don't have to do and it's completely optional, but I just wanted a little pop of color. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave if you have not already. And I will see you all later this week in my next video. Bye, love you.